Good morning. So where we are sitting is the traditional and ancestral homeland of the Ino, the Shikori, Sisipaha, Okanichi, and other peoples of Siouan descent. Welcome to day 3 of DjangoCon US 2024, and welcome to Durham and to our deep dive day. We have a single track today, so all the talks will be in here. These are ones that the program team has felt are especially good, which seems like a really high bar to me because the talks so far have been amazing. Big thank you to our program team for putting this all together. Drew. I would love to see a show of hands of how many people in here have helped organize a conference before. Wow, that seems like a pretty high ratio. Organizing is an amazing experience for me, and it has made my life better. And for anybody here who didn't just raise your hands, I want to encourage you to consider giving it a try. You get to work with amazing, talented people who are so invested in making this an awesome experience at no personal gain, just because it feels good. Makes the world a better place, brings people joy and brings people together, makes us stronger, and keeps Django healthy and strong. You also get to keep these conference relationships year-round. It's not just a 1 week and then you never see each other. You get to keep talking to these people and collaborating throughout the year. And you get to know the cool stuff before everybody else, behind the scenes. In addition to organizers and volunteers to make the conference happen, we're really looking for venue proposals. It's hard to find a spot to host this conference. Durham has been amazing for 2 years, but we feel like if we keep having it here, people are going to get tired, or the people who have a hard time getting to Durham because of whatever travel logistics might be involved, maybe they're never going to be able to come. And we want to move around to keep this conference accessible and exciting and interesting. So let us know. If you think you know a good city for DjangoCon US, tell us. It's really helpful to hear how much the venue is going to cost, how much the food's going to cost, how much the hotel is going to cost per night. And that's some idea of what the AV is going to be, but we really have to talk to Adam to get the specifics on that because there's so many little details to get things just right. And if you haven't noticed, the AV is amazing for this conference. If none of those are things you want to do, give us money. Money makes this whole thing happen. It's really expensive. And sponsors are what let us keep the ticket prices where they are. And I really don't want to raise ticket prices. I think they're kind of on the high side already. I'd rather lower them. And if we could get some big sponsors on board, that'd be fantastic to make that happen. Maybe somebody in here knows somebody who's a decision maker at an organization that has that kind of budget. And we know the DSF needs money too. But getting that logo at DjangoCon US right behind, on stage every day, it's a pretty big deal. And we'd also love to hear your feedback. What did we do well? What did we screw up? What could we do better? What could we change entirely to make this a different kind of conference? Go to our version 2.0 or 5.0 or 2025.0. But more importantly, if you know somebody who didn't come, who would be a good person to be here and they chose not to come to DjangoCon US, maybe you can ask them why and let us know what they say, or tell them to reach out to us. Because it's the people who are here are not necessarily the people we need to hear from. We need to hear from the people who chose not to come and understand why and what we can do to make this a spot for them. Okay. Code of conduct, at this point, you all know, but it's important, so I'm going to keep it in the slides today, too. It's a team effort. We can help each other with this. And I've seen it happen. People here are good at this. If you need to make a report, email conduct@djangocon.us, or talk to myself or Velda in person, or Doreen Wanyama on Slack. Speaking of Slack, our conference Slack plan is not paid. So if there's messages on there that have some information you want to reference in the future, save them, because in 30 days, they're going to be gone. We can't afford to keep that many users, because we keep everybody on that Slack. If you've ever come to a DjangoCon US, you're going to be on the Slack forever, unless you leave. You're welcome to leave if you don't want to be there, but it's a great place to reconnect with people in the future. We will be sending out a feedback survey. I'd love to hear from everybody, as I mentioned earlier, and I will read every response that we get on that. And finally, today is our last day in the conference in the Durham Convention Center, so we need to be able to clear things out at the end of the day. If anybody sees a mess someplace, maybe they can help clean that up, and we'll need some people to stick around at the end of the day to help organizers move our stuff out of the space. The quiet spaces are across the hall. One of them has a sign-up sheet to try and keep it to one person at a time. Just write something on there if you're using it and cross it off when you're done. The food today is going to be the same basic menu as Monday, which is a lot of traditional North Carolina food. I hope you enjoy it. I'm told there will be more sauce on the barbecue. If you want some restaurant recommendations, I definitely suggest talking to somebody from 2 Rock Software. Victor's right there, I'm right here. If you'd like an extra shirt or one from last year, make a donation to DEFNA and get it at the registration desk. You can make a donation on the ticket link on the main conference website. Just choose the donation ticket, type in an amount. We'll take your word for it. Social media, keep up the good work. Respect people's photography preferences with their lanyards. Of course, thank you again to our platinum sponsors, RevSys, Cactus, Valkey. Our gold sponsors, the Opportunity Grant sponsors, and community sponsors. Today is your last chance for lightning talks. They will be at noon. Sign up. I'm not sure if there's any spots left, but get them while you can. Sprints will be starting tomorrow at Cactus. It's right around the block, easy to get to, 108 Morris Street. You don't have to cross any streets if you're staying in the Marriott, just walk around the block. Recordings will be up on VenueList. And I appreciate you all being here. We have one more amazing keynote. Natalia is someone I hope you all know already because she's both a Django fellow and a really wonderful human being who exemplifies our community. If you've never spoken to her, I hope you'll find a chance before you leave Durham. She's brilliant and friendly, like so many people here. And this keynote is called The Fellowship of the Pony. Please welcome Natalia. Thank you.